We could soon see the end of Title 42. Good evening, I'm Scott Gross.
And I'm Mercedes Martinez. The public health law has been used to deport over 1 million migrants the past 2 years. On Tuesday, a federal judge's ruling briefly ended the policy, but now it's back on temporarily.
That's right. Our Adam Klepp now joins us from the border to explain the back and forth.
And following the decision, the Biden administration asked for and received a 5-week stay in the ruling, allowing Title 42 to temporarily stay in place and for them to come up with a plan for what to do when the policy ends on December 21st. In a lawsuit against Department of Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas, a federal judge ruled in favor of asylum seekers. Judge Emmett Sullivan telling the federal government it can no longer use COVID-19 as an excuse to deport migrants. Asylum seekers were represented by lawyers from the American Civil Liberties Union and other organizations. One saying in a statement, migrants have been deprived of their right to seek asylum and return to countries where they face violence, torture, and even death. Previously, the Biden administration tried to end the policy, but then expanded it, recently including Venezuelans. Under Biden, immigration authorities used Title 42 over 1 million times at the southern border, deporting migrants mainly from Mexico, Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras amid record levels of migrants at the border. Secretary Mayorkas, the defendant in the lawsuit, spoke to the House Homeland Security Committee the day of the decision, claiming the border is secure and adding Congress needs to do more to help.
Pass immigration reform, including, for example, much-needed reform to our asylum system. Everyone agrees the system is broken and we need it fixed.
The judge's pause will help the Biden administration prepare for Title 42's end and coordinate with border cities like Yuma. Mayor Doug Nichols declared a local emergency due to the record number of crossings last year, and he's concerned about the end of Title 42.
But I've been asking for about 1.5 years on what's the plan. I've been asking the Secretary's office and the White House.
Mayor Nichols says he hasn't heard anything from the federal government yet, but hopes to get more resources to Yuma ahead of the policy's end.
It's medical care, taking care of people and their basic needs.
Title 42 is scheduled to end at midnight on December 21st. Reporting in Yuma, Adam Clapp, News 11.
In Mexicali,